Baby hairs are slayed. The bun is snatched.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today I am reviewing a brand called GADE Cosmetics, and they sent me quite a few products and I'm just so excited because they look amazing. So I hope they work amazing, you know what I'm saying? And you will see how all of this came together, and you will get my final opinion and review as we get into the video, as I'm applying the products, my final opinion with the whole end look, you know what I'm saying, with the outcome, you know, and how I felt during the actual application process. Okay, very excited for you guys to see this video. But she looks good, you know, she looks bomb. But anyway, let's just get into the video. So the first product that I'm going to try today is this Glow FX Luminizing Perfecting Cream. And I hear that this is supposed to be a really good cream. It comes in a box. It's a luminous tone perfecting cream designed to blur, even, and enhance skin for a rejuvenated, youthful, and radiant look. Okay, girl. So let's see how she gonna do. I'm so sorry. I'm baking on my eyes to prepare for eyeshadow. But so my skin is looking luminous and it is looking radiant, so it definitely is luminizing. I love the smell of it. It's a very soft smell. It smells really good. As you can see, I'm back with my base already done. I have on bronzer, have on concealer, powder, all of that. I'm baking because today it's just about the review, you know. So I'm gonna start on eyes, and they sent me the Imagine eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty. I feel like I can create a very beautiful, like, little classy look with this. And I think because it comes with two darker shades, you could take this look from day to night. You can kind of switch it up when it comes to this look. So that's the convenience of this palette. You can also do a very everyday natural type of look as well. So I'm gonna pick up this rosy shade with my Morphe 513 brush. Okay, while I let this glue dry, we're gonna move on to this eye. I obviously completed one eye off of camera. So I'm going in with this deeper shade. It's like a burgundy, I would say. Taking my MAC 224 brush, and I'm literally only going to keep this shade on the outer corner and take it to the center of my eye as well, and that's where I'm going to keep it. Okay, so now for some shimmer. I'm very excited about this. So I'm taking this pretty pink rose gold shimmer shade. I'm picking it up on an e.l.f. brush. I'm keeping it on my inner corner. Don't be afraid to use your fingers when it comes to shimmer eyeshadow or satins, because sometimes your fingers are your best applicators. Okay, so I'm going to take the second shimmer shade. There are only 2 shimmers in this palette, and there are 6 mattes. And I'm going to put this on the rest of my eyelid. It's a very cute, simple look. So I'm going to take their Intense eyeliner and do just a small wing. And it's a long-lasting eyeliner. It dries down matte, and this is in the shade Black. It's a liquid liner. So I don't know if a few of you have trouble using liquids, but all it takes is a sturdy hand, girl. I promise. A sturdy hand. You might have to hold your breath. Okay, and that's it. That's it. I love the formula of this liner because it's not too liquidy, okay? So it makes it easier to work with. It is not too liquidy, but it's not like thick either. The formula of this eyeliner is perfect because it literally, it doesn't get everywhere. It doesn't move around. It doesn't leak, you know. I'm going to take this black eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash line. Make that liner, you know, just pop some more. I'm taking this on my Morphe 213 brush, picking up that same black on my Morphe E36 brush because this is just going to help to smudge and smoke it some more. Now I'm going to take that burgundy shade. It's like a red brick. Burgundy shade on my same E36 brush, and this is just going to tie it all in, you know, so we won't have, you know, raccoon eyes or anything. Okay, picking up the rose gold shade, and then I'm going to pick up the second shimmer and put that right beside it, taking it more into the eyeshadow. And that is the eye look, honey. Okay, it took no time. Now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. Okay, I'm so excited about this. This is the Extremity Full Volume Mascara in the shade Black. And I just love these bristles on this mascara. It just works, and they get smaller towards the tip of it, which makes it's very easy to get into those inner corners on the top and the bottom lashes, because that can really be a pain getting to those lashes if the mascara wand is too fat. I just love this mascara. It does such a good job at separating the lashes and lengthening them. Okay, it's time to do some blush. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's called the Selfie Blush and Highlighter Trio Palette. The shades are very, very beautiful. And I think I'm gonna, because I want to use both of them, because the next one is a soft satin blush. It's called 44 Prismatic Pearl, and I just think the 44 is just the number. It has just this beautiful sheen to it, so I really want to use both of them. I love it, absolutely. Okay, it's highlighter time. I'm so excited about this. This is called the Everglow highlighting palette. Take a look at these shades. Like, they're beautiful, and I feel like I can wear them all, even the lightest one, because it still just has the right amount of gold to it, where I feel like it'll still work very well with my complexion. I just love how I can benefit from all of these shades. And I think I'm going to do Sunset because I feel like it's going to work well with the blush that I just applied. Back with lips, you know, I put down a little base, you know what I'm saying, just in case. Y'all know I love a dark liner. Still gonna line with the liner they gave me, which is the Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut, number 91. Okay, so the lip color, I think this pairs really well with that brown lip liner. So the lip color I'm going in with today is Forever Nude, and I'm just so excited about this because I just love the fact that it has a gloss. Y'all know I love a nude lip combo, but I love gloss more than anything. Like, nude lips are always my go-to. I'm not stopping there though, because I have to try this gloss right here. This is the Crystal Lights lip gloss in the shade Sundazed. Just put some in the center just to give it a little pop. I think it'll make a very cute topper. So we'll just see how it goes. So, as you can see, this is the final look. You know, my overall opinion when it comes to that whole application process and using the products, I really didn't have any complications. You know, everything seemed to be working very well with my skin. You know, she looks really beautiful. The complexion is flawless. You know, she's radiant. So I really have no complaints about any of the products, you know. I do have my favorites though. I love the eyeliner. I love the Everglow palette. That is perfect. I love the cream. It's very beautiful. And the eyeshadow palette. Those are the things that really just stood out to me. And if I absolutely had to recommend certain products out of everything, those would be the products that I would suggest you go and check out for yourself. I definitely will be using the Perfecting Cream, a part of my routine, just as a base, because I love how it makes my skin look. It's very radiant, very luminizing, just like it's supposed to be. Okay, y'all, so that completes today's video. All right, I hope y'all love it just as much as me. So I will have the link for Jade Cosmetics down below in my description box. I'll have the link for the website, and I'll have their actual Instagram page in the description box as well, so you can go and check them out. Y'all already got, you know, my list of faves from everything that I was sent, but everything that I used I personally really love. It makes me really want to try some other products. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.